Welcome to Portal 7. Sometimes we need white background in images. Reason can be to make passport photo, or if we need to make a product catalog for e-commerce site. Then we have to do white or transparent background for multiple images. To perform this properly, earlier we needed to know professional level image editing skills. But these days AI tools made this task easy and fast. RERT image matting is a sophisticated, AI-powered tool designed to isolate foreground subjects from complex backgrounds with remarkable precision. The software leverages advanced deep learning algorithms to extract fine details, such as wisps of hair, strands of fur, semi-transparent materials, and intricate edges that would typically require painstaking manual masking. This makes it invaluable for a range of applications, from professional portrait editing and product photography to design projects for social media and e-commerce. And today I will show you how to use this awesome application. You can get the download link in the video description to get the application in free. And this tool will be helping you to do professional level image matting with the help of its various different AI models. So open their website and click on download. Once downloaded, go with the basic installation. At first launch it will show your system's hardware information. Then it will come up with this kind of dashboard. In main window you can drag and drop images. By scrolling mouse wheel you can zoom in or out image. At the right side panel choose hardware. It can be your graphic card or CPU. You have 5 different AI model to choose. Each AI model shows its features which you can read below. Choose best one for your image type. In edit section you have to choose from 3 AI models. In most cases I use more detailed generation version 2. You also have image upscale option. Then you have basic features such as rotate, flip, crop, etc. In refinement section you have 4 options. Choose one or more according to your image. After setting everything, click on Start. And you can see the result is a precise extraction of the subject from its background. You can choose 6 different effects from right side. I will choose background. Click on Color panel. Select white. An image is ready with white background. Now click on Single Export. And you can see image with white background and transparent image with no background. Now come back to main window. And let's try another image. Drag and drop image. Choose AI model. Click on Start. You can also choose different color. You can use blur option too if you don't want to change background color. Let's try one more example. Drag and drop image. Click on Start. And you can see the result. It's high quality, precise image matting without the time-consuming effort of manual editing. For the next 7 days, IRT Image Matting has free giveaway for latest version. And it's limited time offer. Click on video's description link. Click on license giveaway, enter any email ID. And you will get license code on that mail ID. And you will have the pro version access free for 1 year. To see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.